Happy birthday, Cotton.
Anything to do with it.
What? Don't touch the can. What are you gonna do with it? All right, hold up. You got to push it a little bit first.
That don't really seem like it was the color.
Is it going?
Yeah.
I don't think you can do the second one yet, buddy.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Thing. It even comes with a key. Oh, and it comes with a Happy Birthday plate.
Through the window.
What do you say the problem is?
Do.
Wait, I'll get it. I'll do it. First, have to get it going, then you just press it and go. Oh wait, right here.
The last one's from Jude.
Let me see.
Jude, Park Symphony, your present.
Let me see this one. Lift it up. I like this one. Cool. That'll help you learn the human body, huh?
Yep.
Come show me Dee's present. Come show me the microscope.
These are amazing.
Here it is, buddy.
What change?
Turn it around.
You can connect it to your computer. That was a nice sharpener. I think I also do want the blue one.
That's a little.
Okay, I'll take the orange one.
Uh-oh. You may pop them. Man, that's a pretty cake.
Do you want, as we sing happy birthday, it should go, Jude, watch out, baby. All right, here we go. I'm gonna light.
Stay on it, Mom. Nice. Okay. A little bit. There it is.
Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Park and Jude. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
Is it pretty cool?
Yeah.
All right.
I thought the 8 would be cute, Jude, this year. Sparkler.
It's fire.
All right, make a wish.
Don't touch it.
Oh, you can't do it
An
yet.
infinity symbol as your number.
Wait, what?
It's an infinity symbol. It keeps going and going and going.
All right, sweet girl. Make a wish and blow hard.
Let me think.
Yeah, you can take a minute.
Wait, I can make 3 wishes with these.
Okay.
All right.
The last one.
I like your style, Park.
Methodical. All
Okay,
right. Mwah. Dig in.
Okay, where's the 9?
Look. But I'm gonna have a little body.
Tastes just like the other one I ate.
I want to try
Little petite 4 piece of cake. Yum.
Take a piece of cake this time. Yeah, I love rivers.
You want to bite that?
That distracted me.